If you're a stay-at-home mom, I want you to sit and listen to this video. For starters, I just want to say I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you because being a stay-at-home mom is more than just taking care of our kids. We're our family's accountant. We're our family's nurse. We're our family's maid. We're our family's cook. I mean, we do everything from counseling our kids, helping with their emotions, raising them, cleaning the house, rinse and repeat. It is a never-ending job. And so I just want to tell you that I am so dang proud of you because I know how isolating it can be to be in the same four walls each and every day. And I know how hard it can be to get out of bed just wishing you had at least an hour more of sleep. So from one stay-at-home mom to another, I'm so freaking proud of you and you're doing an amazing job. So I want to get this video out to as many stay-at-home moms as I can because like I said, I feel like sometimes we're underappreciated because we don't bring in income. However, I do also help stay-at-home moms bring an income off their phone. So if you would want to reach out to me or comment on this video, I would love to tell you more. But if not, just put a heart in the comments if you're a stay-at-home mom. Let's help push this out to other people to where they can hear it from at least one person say, I'm proud of you.